Have you ever wanted to impress your clients with a top-notch neighborhood market analysis? This video will show you how to do it in under 4 minutes, and your clients are going to think you spent hours on it. Let's jump right in. Hey everyone, Kevin Smullin with 2Q Lead Generation Strategies, and we help real estate agents just like you grow their business using strategies like you see on our channel. Before we get going on today's video, down in the description below, you'll find a link for our free guide, 104 video ideas. That way you'll never struggle with knowing what to record again. All right, so let's jump right in and show you how to do this. So I'm going to use ChatGPT, and just to save some time, I've already got a prompt, and the prompt is this: create a comprehensive real estate market analysis for, and then I'm going to put where I live, which is Logan, Utah. So for Logan, Utah, focusing on 3-month price trends, inventory levels, and days on market. Format the output as clear bullet points I can share with clients. And so that is my prompt. I'm just going to hit enter. ChatGPT is going to do its thing. It's going to think about that, do some research, and it comes up with these bullet points. Okay, so now that I've got my bullet points, I'm literally just going to come up here and highlight all of that just through the bullet points. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to come to Gamma. So this is gamma.app if you've never seen it before. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Create New with AI. I'm going to do Paste in Text. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in those bullet points. I don't even need to put a prompt. And I'm just going to come down here and say what I want is a document. And I'm just going to go ahead and do default to where it's just going to put it in whatever format. If you want to have it be letter format, and in fact, that's kind of good. I'll switch to letter. So then we're going to go ahead and hit continue. And then it's got this information here. And it's saying that it's going to create something that's 8 pages. Now, for the text, I'm having it generate it, and you can see the amount of text per card. Think of per card as per page. You can have it medium or brief or even more detailed. I'm going to leave it at medium so that you can see that. It puts in a small little prompt of what it's writing for and what tone you want it to be. Now you can change any of that if you want. It's got the format, images, I'm going to leave it there. Just going to go ahead and hit continue. And then it's going to ask me to preview and give the theme that I want. If you want to have a specific theme, that's great. But I like that one. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit generate. It's doing its thing. And here in just a couple seconds, I'm going to have a neighborhood analysis report that I can literally just give to potential clients. It's amazing. And you'll notice it's got these different trends and graphs, and it's just amazing at what it puts out. Images, it's just incredible. Again, people are going to think that you spent hours creating a document that has all of these charts and images and graphs. And you saw it was really just 2 different prompts in 2 different programs that has created all of this. Isn't that amazing? It's still going, it's still thinking, it's still writing the content and how it applies to different groups of people. And there you go. There is your full report. If there's things in here you want to change, you can. You can come in here and click and edit, and you can add different things. But I wanted to make this video as short as possible. You could then just come up here and have it export or share this. And where you can really do a lot of good with something like this is not just the document itself, but you could record a short little video to go with it and send it, and that's going to really up your game a whole lot. So that is how you can create a specific, detailed neighborhood market analysis for your area. So if that was helpful, click the thumbs up button down below. We appreciate that. As always, if there's anything we can help you to grow your business, our courses, our coaching programs, feel free to take a look at that. Otherwise, have a great week, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.